It's a 2017 Cadillac XTS. This is a flagship vehicle in every regard. From impeccable details to the meticulously crafted interior, this chiseled beauty is elegant throughout. It comes with features you need, and better yet, want. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual zone climate control, Wi-Fi hotspot, aluminum wheels, V6 engine, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, external memory control, heated steering wheel, adaptive suspension, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Edmunds.com adds, the 2016 XTS's real leg up on the competition is its spacious interior, particularly in the back seat, as well as its cavernous trunk. Cadillac, a luxury maverick. See what it can do when you take it for a test drive.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.